Sahajanand Swami Maharaj. This kirtan just happened to me someday. It just flowed. I don't know how. But the emotions, the perspectives, the understanding came from within through the grace, and each word is something that I seek to be. We all should seek to be. This is what he has taught us all his life. It goes like this. હું થાઉં તારો સારો ભક્ત રાજ મહારાજ એવો જોગ દેજો તમે થાઓ મુજથી आसक्त राज महाराज वो मुझने कर जो. I pray to you, I seek that with your grace I progress, I become such that you are pleased with me. You love me, you accept me, you are proud of me. I become a better seeker every day. Please bless me with such circumstances, with that environment, with the right gurus, with the right guidance, with the right soil in my mind in which all these seeds of wisdom grow. May I not be closed-minded. May I be open-minded, may I understand, may I have the right buddhi, the right intellect, the right vivek to become yours. And I want to live a life such that you embrace me. Bhakti ne gyan, vairagya dhyan, एकांतिक अंतर थाओ इलावो एवो जोग दे जो. May my love for you grow. May my realization that I am the Atma, the soul, that always remain. May I increase in my detachment towards the pleasures, towards dependencies on external triggers, on happiness. May I progress on the path of meditation. I want to be such that I have only one goal, ekantik, just God. May my antahkaran, my mind, my man, my buddhi, my intellect, my ahankar, my ego, and my chit, my focus, all these four, may they all channelize themselves and help put all attention, time and energy in seeking you. Give me this blessing. Sakhi ne das tamaro khas rakhi mune तुझ पास हे राज एवो जोग दे जो. May you be my friend. May I be your das. May I serve you all my life. May I be special to you. How special you are to me. May you always keep me closest to you. Amongst one of your favorites. May I please you that much. Nirantara smruti निर्वासनिक वृत्ति विवेकमय आचरण रीति ए नीति वो जोग दे जो. May I have uninterrupted connection with you. May I not have any other vasanas, wishes, wants, desires than you. May I have discernment, vivek, in not just my thought process, but also in the way I live or implement my understandings. May I be full of niti, character, because I represent you and I don't want to let you down. सेवा करीने तमने रिझाऊं, भक्ति करीने तमने रिझाऊं, राजी रही बेड़ा रहे जो, महाराज है वो जोग दे जो. May I serve you and please you. May I love you and please you. May you always be happy with me, pleased with me, and may you always be with me. All this I cannot earn until you shower the grace on me. With your grace, with your blessings, I can be patra to elevate myself to this level that you are so pleased with me. Shraddha Vishwas Shwasochwas Nishchaya Mahima Sahvas Niyas Evo Jog Dejo. May I have unshakable faith in you, belief in you. May I trust you so much that in every breath I never doubt you. May I be so determined that you, my Creator, are the sole purpose for which I have come here. Having found you, I have found the source of all bliss, all happiness, all love. Whatever I need in life is you. Now I have your company and the company of your seekers and the saints who connected me with you. I don't have any other wishes that I want fulfilled. I just want this to remain in my life. And I am at utmost peace, bliss in this energy of yours. Sansar jare trahi machave, बाया ग्रही उभा रहे जो, हे राज ये वो जोग दे जो. When in the highs and lows of life, in the ups and downs, it gets a bit vulnerable. I may lose control, I may lose this connection. When there is a lot of disruption, disturbance happening inside me because of something that happened around me, please hold my hand. Please protect me. Help me not lose this equanimity in life and help me become yours again. Remind me that nothing else is important. Everything is temporary. Everything is a phase and it shall pass. The only constant is you. And all these uncertainties in life are a design and I should not be affected by them. भूलू जो तमने भटकू जो पथ में, कहवू गाटे ते कहे जो, महाराज वो जोग दे जो. If sometimes, if I get lost on this path, if I lose direction, if I get lost, broken, confused, please get me back on track. If you need to scold me, scold me. If you need to slap me, but never leave me. Chhello a janma tamne arpanna, poorn maru समर्पण जीवन एवो जोग दे जो. Please make sure this is my last birth. This birth of mine, this life of mine, every breath of mine is dedicated to you. Completely, I have surrendered to you. I don't want to rack my brain. Your brain, your intelligence is how I want my life to be steered with. I don't want to come and pray for anything. I don't want to demand anything. You are the source of my happiness. You are my destination. You are my soul food. You are the goal of my life. Everything revolves around you. Whatever you say is final for me. તમે છો મારા એ હું છું તમારો જન્મ સુફળ કરી દીધો અનીડો મુજને પોતાનો કીધો રાજ મહારાજ એવો જોગ દીધો અનીડો મુજને પોતાનો કીધો. You are mine, I am yours. This birth, after so many cycles of birth and death, is finally the birth in which I reunited with my Creator, with my source. I reunited with the one that I was separated from, and there was a God-sized hole inside me. Now that I found you, it's filled. I am fulfilled. You have showered infinite bliss on me, infinite blessings on me, by accepting me with my flaws, by making me yours, and I feel blessed. Thank you for everything that you have done for me. Thank you for everything that you have given me. Thank you for becoming mine and making me yours. I am truly indebted to you for life. I have nowhere else to go. I have no other desire that I want. Just want to stay connected with you and enjoy this. Sahajanand Swami Maharaj.